Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today we're going to talk about how to remove and replace your ignition lock cylinder on a 2005 Dodge Neon. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is, here's your lock cylinder right here where your key goes in. There's a little hole here underneath that you will see right here. That has a little tab in there that you're going to want to push. So you can insert just like a Phillips screwdriver or any kind of small rod or anything that can push that up, which will then release this so we can slide that out. Take your key, turn it. There you go. Comes right out. Now to put the new one in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up this pin inside. You're going to see there's a little indentation there where this locks in, so you want this to be perfectly in line with that. Slide it in. There you go. All set. Hope this video helped you out. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and once again, thanks for watching.